Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to plump up your lips and make them look nice and big and puffy, and all in 4 simple steps. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. So I'm going to start by using an exfoliator stick. This one is the Moonstruck Lip Exfoliator from Unique. This is not an essential step. I just do it because I like to kind of get all of the little bits off of my lips so that when I apply my lipstick, it's going to be a nice smooth application. If you don't have an exfoliator stick, you could use a warm face cloth and just rub the lips with that, and that should help to get some of the excess stuff and make your lips nice and smooth so that when you apply your lipstick, there's no bumps. So I'm just going to rub that in. And I'm just going to wipe it off with a tissue. So our next step is the Candy Lips Lip Plumper. This is a little thing that I picked up online, and basically what it is, it's a little suction cup. You put your lips in here, and you squeeze first, and you put your lips in there, and you leave it on for about 4 minutes, and what it does is it brings all the blood to the surface and helps to plump up your lips and make them appear bigger and larger, without resorting to something like lip injections or chemicals, etc. So we're going to do that. I'm just going to squeeze in here, put it on my lips, and I'll be back in about 4 minutes when it's all done. So I am back after leaving it on for a few minutes. This is the result. As you can see, it's pretty intense. So you don't have to leave it on as long as I do. I just like to be a little bit extra. What I'm going to be doing though is I'm going to go around the lips with my beauty blender and just dab, because sometimes it does leave a little bit of a line. We don't want that. My next step is going to be applying some lip liner. Just a nice neutral shade. Like, wow, right? And then what I'm going to be doing, the last step, is I'm taking some matte lipstick. This is the one by the Liquid Velvet by Katie London in the shade Sydney. I think that's what it is, Sydney. It doesn't have to be a matte lipstick. It can also be a lip gloss or whatever kind of goes with what you're wearing. And there you have it, people, the finished product, making it look like you've had lip injections when you actually haven't. So if you liked what you saw, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more from me. And until next time, bye!